This is good. Imagine this, I'm gonna cut this guy.
What's up, guys? I am at Humble Handcraft's shop right now. We are gonna check it out. Holy crap. We got some dogs. Sloane's van is right behind me. She's a friend of mine, and I've never shown this before. I'm showing a build that is in the process of being built. Let's go check this out. Guys, this is Ren. Hi, Ren.
She's a model.
She really is. Oh, hello. Hello.
She's very social.
This is your van dog.
This is my van dog.
And you have another one too.
I'm a blubbering idiot. You've seen my Instagram stories.
This is true.
It doesn't matter. I do whatever I want and I don't care what people think of me. Clearly I'm in overalls.
Hey guys, this is Sloane.
I'm Sloane. So nice to meet
Jesus
everybody.
Christ. You thought I have a lot of energy? This girl trumps all my energy.
Oh yeah, and my hair's a little pink.
I like it.
You can't live in a van and have normal hair.
This is true. Well, I don't have any hair at all, so.
Bam!
This is Salone's van.
You gotta meet Zoe. She is the true queen van dog. The smallest van dog. Or the best van dog. Look at this little disgusting, dirty little doggy.
So guys, this is Salone's van.
It is a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. It's a 2018.
What's the wheelbase?
It's a 170.
There you go.
Oh, it's a four-wheel drive. How do I forget that is the most important thing? If you're gonna buy a Sprinter, it's gotta be four-wheel drive. Otherwise, no.
So I don't think I've ever shown a build that is like in the middle of building, which is so cool.
He's lucky he made a friend like me that was like, yeah, you can come check it out halfway done.
Thanks. When we met, what was your original plan? Because, oh, there's Ren.
You know what? When I first met Jarrod, I was gonna do this van all myself. And I had every intention. I want you to know I started. I learned how to use a wrench. Started the floor by myself.
And the installation.
And the installation. And then I sat in here and I cried and I realized I didn't know what the hell I was doing.
So
I went to Home Depot and had a panic attack.
So then you met Ryan from Humble Handcraft.
Humble Handcraft, yeah. Now we're starting to do vans. We typically do tiny homes.
Hey, come on in the van, boss. So Ryan, actually introduce yourself now if you don't mind.
My name's Ryan. I work and started a company called Humble Handcraft. We build tiny homes and we're doing van conversions now.
It's pretty badass, right?
Yeah, it's a lot of fun.
And I'll show you shop right now.
It's good work.
His shop is so awesome. And where are you located?
We're here in Ventura County, California.
Fine, I actually just bumped into this, and if you don't mind me, I'm going to start with over here.
Okay.
I'm going to get down.
Yes.
I don't think I've seen it done, but you actually did a really good job on a pocket door.
Yeah, we got the pocket door there. Stash the door inside this wall.
You're leaning on the kitchen counter, right?
Kitchen counter, stove, oven.
And look at this handy thing. You gotta not forget about this. Pots and pans. Thank you. They thought about the little details.
Yeah,
you guys thought about a lot of stuff.
Yeah,
yeah.
we went,
hey, let's not forget about this.
On this.
Woo, little hidey hole right up in there. Get your goods in there, huh? Bodie got
Oh, this is Ryan's dog, by the way.
Yeah, it's Bodie.
Bodie. So your toilet's underneath that?
Yeah, buddy.
Oh.
Whoop, whoop. You can still shit with the view in this van. That's what it's all about.
Ryan, you and Sloane decided on cedar on the roof.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's what she had. She
ceiling.
brought me a stack of cedar, which was cool. I'm always stoked to work.
Oh, that's right.
Cedar.
You got that cedar for free. So.
I got the cedar for my family.
There you go.
Lucky for me.
You can't beat that.
Yeah, and then we found this board because she didn't have enough to quite do all the side walls and the ceiling.
Mm-hmm.
So we found these whitewashed same tongue and groove boards with pine, and we're able to find those on Craigslist and utilize those for the walls.
And what the thing you just had your foot up on, is that your bathtub?
Yes!
No.
In case you want to know, the poll remains. Should this be a bathtub or should it hold the fridge? I'm thinking bathtub.
Oh, of course you are.
Or why not be dual purpose? We could cover it as a bathtub.
What about a koi pond?
Oh my god, a koi pond too! No, I don't like fish.
Oh my goodness.
Why don't we cover it so it can be a bathtub and I can just take the fridge out?
Oh yeah, because that fridge is so light.
Somewhere.
Right, just
like,
throw it on your bed.
Yeah, I'll just put it on the
Big
bed.
deal.
Or I'll put it in the avenue. I'll hang it out here in the avenue and then
right,
I'll
we're
get in the
good.
bathtub.
Ryan, what else are you working on?
Working on getting these cabinets done, the wall going. We've got all the puck lights for the ceiling to go in. Bed frame that we got to frame out right here. Install the solar equipment that goes in its own little fancy box underneath the bed.
Now, you said you're a tiny house builder.
Yeah.
Humble Handcraft, yay. How many vans have you done? Is this your first van?
It's my first van, yeah.
This is your first van. What's the difference between really a tiny house and a van?
Metal. I mean, I've worked with metal studs before, so we do similar furring strips, but I'd say the curves is the biggest difference.
Pain in the butt, huh?
Yeah, a little bit, but not too bad. It's pretty easy. Once you get the strips on there, you just, this thing takes the shape, and the tongue and groove helps because it'll just like kind of move with the wall.
Yep, exactly. Which is why a lot of people use tongue and groove on their walls for that exact reason, I think, right?
Yeah, totally. Yeah.
Or I guess like a 1/4 inch plywood.
1/4 inch plywood works too. Takes the shape. Lightweight. This is actually like, I like this because it's not too heavy, but it adds another layer of insulation.
Yeah, absolutely.
So there's like a void between the insulation and the metal.
Yeah.
And then wood itself has some insulative qualities.
We hope to have this done for the meetup at the end of January.
We do. That's the goal.
That's the plan.
But if not, it's okay.
I think we're on track.
Ryan,
My coming here and taking up a whole work day bothering him with questions doesn't help. But hey, guess what? Here we
me
are.
also doing this doesn't help.
Things down, but
Sorry about that.
we'll get there.
I only do it one day a week, so here we are.
Yeah, it's all good.
And we're entertaining.
And
We break up the work week.
That's for sure.
We break up
These
your
two are
Wednesdays.
definitely entertaining.
next time I'm gonna come with treats.
Ryan, if you could give a message to anybody that's a DIYer out there, because you're obviously a professional builder, what would you want to say?
I would say let the pros do it. Let us do it.
Thank you.
Yes, I mean, we'll do it right the first time. But if you want to try to do it, there's plenty of YouTube videos to learn how, I'm sure.
Way to plug me, thank you.
But the devil is in the details in a van.
It
Yeah, it
is.
depends on what you want out of that van. If it's gonna be like when you take to the, I don't know, to the mountains for the weekend type of thing.
Yeah,
I mean, it doesn't have to have details. It doesn't have to be pretty. But if you're gonna be living in it full time, you're probably gonna notice those shoddy details more often. So,
Well, and also I feel like a build quality has a lot to do with it. So like I've heard horror stories from other people that went to professional builders, and like even their build quality, like, you know, we drive these through earthquakes, you know, every time we drive it.
yeah. Totally.
So it's like, you know, I can tell standing in here that this is the good build quality. But there's a lot out there that aren't good build quality, and they will, like, things will fall apart.
Yeah, that's a shame.
It is, and obviously you're a tiny house builder, so you know exactly, you know, how to secure things.
You got to use a lot of screws.
Yeah.
Or glue. Like, there's this really good glue that I used that they use for tub surrounds, and it's like this white rubber membrane when it's dry, but it's also an adhesive. So what I do to like not have a million screws into the framework, I screw these strips, these 1/2 inch strips that act as wood to nail into. So I'll make strips of glue every strip of wood, and I'll nail that, and when it's dry, it's not going
It ain't going anywhere, right?
No, that's a part of the van at that
It won't
point.
even creak.
No, it'll be
My
it'll
van
be
will
solid.
be silent.
But it'll look nice too. Like when you're looking at it, you don't notice all the nail holes.
Yeah, that's
Versus
actually a really good
screws,
point.
You know, screws are pretty obnoxious.
Yeah.
Or you don't have to plug them with, you know, wood filler.
Yeah, that takes a lot of time.
It does. I know this firsthand.
I have a question for Ryan. You know,
Sure, go ahead.
Did you see this as one big thing, or have you been building like per area you're in? Like, what's your vision?
We got a general layout, and then like as we started taking on one portion of the build, like this, like for instance this portion, we got the fridge in here, and we figured out, you know, she's gonna want a spot where she can stash her toiletries, bathroom supplies. So then we came up with this cubby, and then the little lower drawer over there. That kind of just happened spontaneously. So I think that's when your creativity starts to kick in, is when you focus on one aspect of the build. Things start to just come to mind, and yeah, that's when you have fun.
And you obviously have a whole bunch of design ideas in your head, just going over a lot of other tiny houses and things.
Yeah, we've done a lot of space-saving ideas. That part I definitely enjoy.
So hey man, how can they find you?
You can find me on my Instagram at Humble Handcraft.
Okay.
And then you can find me on my website with photos and past projects at humblehandcraft.com.
And I will put all the links in the description below, so don't you worry.
Oh yeah, he better. Gosh.
Relax.
Give me a break.
Sloane, do you want to say your?
Mine?
Yeah.
Or do you want the dogs? Because I know you're more interested in dogs.
Give them all.
I'm just kidding. I don't have an Instagram for my dogs. I can barely do my own damn
You
Instagram.
have one for your dog, don't lie.
I haven't used it in years. But I did at one point. I was that person, but I gave up on it. I was like, this is too much. I don't know the password or anything to it.
So what is your Instagram?
Mine is Sloane Dog.
How many G's?
3 G's.
Okay, thanks.
Don't forget about that. Like 3 G's, yo.
You know, and I'm going to show your slabs off in a minute here, Ryan, because I absolutely love your live edge
That's a
slabs.
personal question.
Yeah, that's a little side gig. So I like for a hobby, I work on like slab tables, benches, furniture.
Bears.
Just as like your hobby, your side. That's pretty cool. I like that. Good for you.
Yeah, I like woodwork a lot.
Yeah, I can't tell. So what is this?
This is going to be a platform bed.
Awesome.
The original plan was to do a full table that slid out under here, but then we realized I have bikes and that'd be a pain in the ass.
Okay. Yeah, it would be. Which direction are you sleeping?
I am tall. I'm 5'10", so I have to sleep this way.
As long as you know that, I'm happy with you.
So, yeah, I barely fit. Like, I don't think I'll fit once the paneling is in.
We're sleeping over here.
I don't think I'm gonna fit. Once there's panels, no. See?
Nothing.
I've measured this. I've done this. I don't fit. I don't fit. And then right here, in the middle, is where the batteries and the whole electrical setup will go. Ryan made a sweet little box for it.
I did. I just saw that. It's pretty cool.
It's a pretty sweet box setup.
And there's going to be a
And there's going to be a totem right here that will house all the electrical, the panels, the open shelves for books, because I'm a big hard book reader, no Kindle BS, actual books. So this will be the start of the library, and then I'm pretty sure I'm probably going to have to add an extra library because I have a lot of books.
I actually do love your van. I really do.
Do you?
I'm on very little amounts of sleep, but
Very little amounts of sleep, so he makes me look extra crazy, extra energized, which
no,
is
you're already
absolutely
crazy.
normal because that's
Designed it.
absolutely who I am.
She's a little crazy, but I
I'm a
love
little
her,
over the
so.
top. I'm a little over the top.
But you're awesome.
But I'm awesome. Says Jarrod.
Guys, if you want to check out Sloane, please check out her Instagram, Sloane Dog Triple G.
Triple G!
Triple G. She posts videos all the time about her van. She posts pictures all about her time in her van. It's gonna be done really quickly because she's having it professionally built.
Right!
That is the way to do
By
it.
someone who legitimately knows what he's doing, because I had no clue what I'm doing. So guess what? The details are definitely being done.
It's amazing. It's really, really well done. I'm really impressed with it. Ryan did a spectacular job. Let's show Ryan right now. This is also Ryan. He obviously built the van. Please go check him out, humblehandcraft.com, or also check out his Instagram, Humble Handcraft.
Check
Did I
us
get all
out.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it did.
You got all right.
All right,
That was a good
cool.
take. Anybody that's looking for van conversion, hit us up. We're starting to do vans, and if you need a tiny house, call us up too.
You're about to work on a bus.
Yeah, we might do a bus too.
Might do a bus.
Yeah, we're open to all nomadic type of dwellings, so
Anything.
let us know.
Anything.
Yeah,
really
yeah.
excited.
Sky's the limit. These
I
things.
can't wait. Like, Ryan's really, really good at what he does. I'm
Thanks, man. I
impressed.
appreciate that.
Yeah, coming from a construction background, this guy actually knows his stuff.
Appreciate that.
So,
Third generation carpenter.
are you really?
Yeah, I won't brag about it though.
I'm not gonna brag.
Humble
Very
Handcraft.
Yeah.
Very humble about how
Staying
great I'm
humble.
gonna do it.
Yeah. No, we have fun. We enjoy what we do.
Ventura County. So, San Francisco, LA, you guys, come on down.
Right in the middle.
Right in the middle. All right, so guys, thanks for checking everybody out. Sloane, say bye.
Bye!
Lisa, you want to say bye? There it is. All right, guys, till next time.
Say bye
See
to
you
the
guys.
dogs. Tell the dogs bye.
Bye.
The dogs need to say bye.
Ren.
Dogs! Ren and Bodie, say bye!
All right, guys, I'm out.
Look at our